From this diagram here, we are told to find the value of 2x. All right, looking at this line that passes through the center, you can see it's actually suspending an angle at the circumference here. So automatically this is 90, since this is semicircle. So an angle subtended by semicircle is 90. All right. For us to calculate for the value of x, we can equate this to these two opposite angles, and using the law that an external angle equals to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So by so doing, that being said, 5x plus 20 will now give us the sum of 90 plus x. Collecting like them, 5x minus s equals 90 minus 20. So 4x will give us 70, right? And by so doing, now here we can now say, from here we can say this 2 into what? 2x equals what? 70. So 2x will now be what? 70 divided by what? 2. So 2x equals what? 35 degrees. I hope you've learned something from this. Thank you and God bless you.